Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can unlock your Whirlpool oven. So it's super simple, and let me show you how you can do it. To do it, all you have to do is when you're gonna Whirlpool oven, you're gonna have these two, arrows to the left, I would say. So what you want to do, these two arrows, or like the pointing to the left, you just want to press and hold it for like 5 to 7 seconds, and this is how you're gonna unlock your Whirlpool oven. Also, maybe you can also find, it depends what kind of Whirlpool you have, but you can maybe find even like a lock button. It's going to look like this. If you're not going to find traditional, you can have like lock button that is going to say, let's say, a free sec. Many times this is for only ovens. So it's going to have like lock button that you have to press. Looks for something like that. Or you're even going to have something under it, like you're going to have a button, and there you're going to have this small symbol under that button, right? Same thing. And then you know that that's for unlocking, and you just have to press and hold it. Thank you, have a great day, and goodbye.